Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to try and solve this question. And the question is, 7 years ago, half my uncle's age surpassed mine by 2 years. Today, my age is 5 years older than 2/5 of my uncle's. And the question is, what are our ages? So we are going to start this question by saying this. A represents my age 7 years ago, whereas X represents my age currently. Now A will be equals to X, my present age, minus 7. This is the relationship that exists, that we can establish between the age that I have 7 years ago and my age. The age that I had 7 years ago, it is my present age minus 7. Very logical. Then we go to the uncle. We're gonna say B represents my uncle's age 7 years ago, whereas Y represents my uncle's present age. So there is a relationship between my uncle's present age and his age 7 years ago. So his age 7 years ago will be equal to the present age minus 7. Very logical. Now the question says this, that 7 years ago, half my uncle's age was equal to mine plus 2 years. So we need to take that into consideration. So we're going to say half the ages of my uncle, which is B, 7 years ago was my age plus 2. Then I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Multiply here by 2 and here by 2. I'm going to have B will be equals to 2 times A, 2A plus 2 times 2, 4. Then replacing A and B by their values, I'm going to have, replacing B by its values, I'm going to have Y minus 7 equals to 2 into A, which is X minus 7 plus 4. Then Y minus 7 will be equals to 2x, 2 times minus 7 minus 14 plus 4. Then Y will be equals to 2x minus 14 plus 4. This is 10. This is minus 10. Then I'm taking minus 7, bring it in the second leg of the equation, becomes plus 7. Then Y will be equals to 2. Y will be equals to 2x minus 3. Ladies and gentlemen, I have here my first equation. I'm going to call this equation 1. In equation when we have my present age as well as my uncle's present age. Now the question continues saying that today, my age, which is X, is 5 years older than 2/5 of my uncle's. So I'm going to write that in a mathematical way. So my age, which is X, is 5 years older than 2/5 of the age of my uncle, which is Y. Then I'm multiplying both equations by 5. I'm going to have 5 times X equals to 5 times 5 plus 2 all over 5y. I do so so that I can get rid of 5. So I'm going to have 5x will be equal to 5 times 5. This is 25. 5 times 2 all over 5 times y, let's give us a 2y. Ladies and gentlemen, I have found here another equation. This is called equation 2. Now I'm gonna solve equation 1 here and equation 2 both simultaneously. So I'm gonna say equation 1 into equation 2. Therefore, I'm gonna have 5x equals to 25 plus 2 into 2x minus 3, replacing equation 1 into equation 3 into equation 2. So I'm going to have 5x will be equal to 25 plus 2 times 2, this is 4, then 2 times minus 3, this is minus 6. So I'm going to have 5x minus 4x, this equals to 25 minus 6, this is 19. Then 5x minus 4x, let's give us x equals to 19. Ladies and gentlemen, I found my age. This implies that my age is 19 years old. This is my age. Having my age, I can determine the age of my uncle. Then I'll take the equation 1 here. Then I'm going to have y equals to 2x minus 3. Replacing x by its value, so I'm going to have y will be equal to 2 into 19 minus 3. Then y will be equals to 2 times 19 is 38 minus 3, this is 35. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the value of y. Therefore, my uncle's age is 35 years old. So ladies and gentlemen, we have found the age of my uncle and my own age. Thank you very much for watching this video.